Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Cooklist mobile app is, how it works, and whether it can help you simplify meal planning and grocery shopping. Cooklist is a free app available on iOS and Android that helps users organize their meals and grocery shopping by connecting to local grocery store inventories. It lets you save recipes from various websites or create your own, then automatically generates shopping lists based on what ingredients you need. The app can track what you already have at home and highlight deals and coupons from nearby stores to help you save money. One of the main features is its ability to scan store inventories in real time, allowing you to find the best prices and availability for your groceries. Cooklist also supports meal planning by letting you schedule recipes for the week and keep track of what ingredients you need to buy or already own. Users appreciate Cooklist for its smart shopping list creation, deal-finding features, and the convenience it offers in meal planning. Some users mention that the App Store inventory data can be limited depending on the area, and occasional syncing issues have been reported. Cooklist is a useful app for those who want to save time and money on grocery shopping while managing meals efficiently. The app is free to use, with optional premium features available through subscription. If you have questions or notice anything missing, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for email.